In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google to guide you through updating your Windows device and checking for driver updates. This process is important for maintaining your system's performance and security, ensuring your device runs smoothly with the latest features and fixes from Microsoft. First, we'll start by accessing the Windows search bar. This is an efficient way to find and open applications on your device. Simply click on or find that little magnifying glass icon in your taskbar, or you can press the Windows key on your keyboard. Once the search bar is open, the next step is to type in Settings. You'll notice a gear icon pop up indicating that you've found the right app. Give that a click. Now that we're in Settings, our next destination is Windows Update. This section manages updates for your Windows system, ensuring that you have the most current patches and improvements. Click on Windows Update, typically found towards the bottom of the left pane, but don't worry if it's in a slightly different spot. Sometimes Windows organizes these settings differently depending on the version. Upon opening the Windows Update settings, look for an option that says either Check for Updates or Retry. Your specific situation may differ slightly depending on your recent update history. This button allows your system to connect with Microsoft servers to see if any new updates are available. Make sure you're connected to the internet before doing this, as the updates are downloaded online. While system updates are critical, it's equally important to ensure your device's drivers are up to date, enhancing hardware compatibility and performance. To check driver updates, return to your search bar. Using this tool again, simply type in Device Manager. It should appear as an option, often represented by another familiar icon. Clicking this will open a list of categories related to the hardware components on your device. Within the Device Manager, you can explore different sections such as audio inputs, network adapters, and processors, to name a few. For this demonstration, let's check the processors. Find the section, double-click to expand it, and right-click on the listed processor. An option will appear called Update Driver. Selecting this will open a wizard to guide you through the update process. Opt for the automatic update, which is the most straightforward method. The system then searches for the latest driver software, downloading and installing if any updates are found. And that's all there is to it. With these steps, you'll keep your Windows system and its drivers running in top shape, aligning with best practices for digital maintenance. Whether for personal use or for work, these regular checkups on updates can save you from hassles down the line. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more helpful tech tips and tutorials.